What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Woo! Namiss ko tong Vespa. Ito ulit yung ating first vlog sa Vespa after ng bakasyon natin. So makita nyo sa huling dalawang uploads natin is nasa tayo, nag-Hawaii tayo kasama si Mrs. Omar TV. So ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-vlog dito sa ating Vespa. Tonight kasama natin si Pogi, and then i-meet natin sila Kuya Nino, sila Kuya JR. I think we're 7 bikes tonight. Today is Wednesday. Time check is around almost 9 o'clock, I think. Hindi ano to eh, binunod ko kasi yung baterya nito eh. And kung mapapansin nyo, wala na rin siyang check engine, and yung ABS light nagawa na rin natin. So meron palang maluwag doon sa may CVT cover na ground na hindi nakabit na maayos. So merong loose ground. So yun yung isang nag-trigger ng check engine, tsaka yung speed sensor. Nung pagbalik natin ng speed sensor, masyado siyang malayo sa sensor, yung wheels o yung sensor, yung tone wheel, malayo siya dun sa sensor. So ngayon, nilagyan natin ng spacer para lumapit siya sa sensor. Ngayon, binabasa niya na. So all goods na tayo. Ready na tayo for this weekend sa Super Sunday. What's up, Pogi? So he's with his 300 tonight. And then, i-meet natin sila sa Shanghai Plaza. Alright, so mamaya na ulit tayo mag-usap-usap pagkasama na natin sila. Pero na-miss ko kayo, guys. Sana okay kayo dyan. Sana na-miss nyo rin ako kahit pa paano. And maraming salamat nga pala at na-hit na natin ng 500 subscribers. Let's go. It's a good night. Masarap yung weather. Kita-kits tayo pagkasama na natin sila. Alright, let's go. Saktong-sakto ang dating. So yun, 7 bikes tayo tonight. What's up? What you got?
Nothing.
Wait up. Yun. Thank you. Oh, like I forgot the car though. Shout, Joe. Oh, the Bieber. Huh? Yeah. Pogi yung jacket mo. So tambay mo tayo dito sandali. Tapos strip tayo pasyal tonight. Let's go.
Searching for group.
What's up?
Searching for group.
Mickey Mouse, bro. Oh yeah. First ride with Mickey?
Searching for group.
First ride with Mickey.
Grouping succeeded. 5 group members connected.
Oh, what's up, guys? Who's here?
What's up?
Who's here, Joe?
Sinabit ko lang.
Yeah. Kuya.
Mr. Sarap Vlogs is here.
Mr. Sarap Vlogs and Pogi. Oh.
What's that?
Who's that? Was that you?
Oh, mine.
Oh, yours?
That's mine, yeah.
It's good now? Good?
Push. Yun.
7 Vespas tonight with Mickey Mouse. Let's roll out. So we're going down Spring Mountain right on Las Vegas Boulevard, all the way to the sign.
Let's go. Las Vegas Boulevard.
Welcome to Las Vegas Boulevard.
Yes, sir. There's something going on.
He said hi.
Damn. Easy, good JR.
He's the loudest.
Your Ramos is too loud, bro.
Not bad for a Wednesday. It's nice here tonight. Ah, damn. Who's that? Kuya?
Yeah, that's me. Hey, Kuya Jan, this is what we call a Las Vegas strip. I forgot you live here too.
Welcome to Vespa. You good? Traffic is not too bad. It's traffic. It's bad.
You jinxed it. Okay, I follow you.
Hold on. There's a cop inside.
Oh, there's a cop.
Yeah. Go ahead. I got you. Go
Oh,
ahead.
yeah. Alright.
Say hi.
Huh?
Hi. Say hi to the camera.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to strip traffic.
What is he doing in the middle, bro?
You got stuck.
Oh, it's clear here.
It's just construction.
Construction. That's not construction, that's obstruction.
Oo. Kuya, sa sign tayo ah. Sa sign.
Ha?
Okay. Sa sign tayo papunta.
Alam niya ba yun?
Yeah.
Sa sign daw, sa sign. Naiwan ko dyan.
Ah, okay. ZL1 boy, ZL1. Nice car, sir.
Dang.
Oh, shit.
It looks fast.
Go.
How's Mickey? Where's Mickey? Oh, he waited?
We're waiting for Kuya Jan.
Okay.
Yeah, he waited. I don't know, but that exhaust on the back of that Camaro don't look like it's there for fun.
No, go for a party.
I mean, it's a ZL1.
There is a 01, yeah. views, baby. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas. Oh shit, there's a lot of bikes over here. Damn, fucking Bong. Bong Siga. Hi. Oh, we park over there. It's disabled.
We have one disabled right there.
Huh?
Yeah, shut up.
Alright. We hang out here. Kilala pa natin yung mga nandun. Alright. We're gonna grab some drinks. We're just gonna go to that station. Gucci?
Be good, be good.
Good. Yee, boy.
Clear for now. Let's go. I gotta tuck in right now. Alright, we're here.
How's it going, sir? What's that? Vespa. So ito yung line out natin tonight. Yung Racing 60s, Super Tech ni Pogi, GTS ni Kuya JR, Kuya Jody's, Beaver. Itong tatlo kay Mr. Sarap tsaka kay JM yan. Gamit ni Kuya John ngayon yan. So, tambay mo tayo sandali dito. Inumin lang. Drinks na drinks. Let's go. Hey Pogi,
You take the highway.
text us when you get home, yeah? Text when you get home. Yeah. Pogi is gonna take the highway, try the top speed of the the Vespa. It's gonna be 80, 81.
That's why I want to see what the top speed.
Yeah, 81. All good? Good.
Hey, there's something wrong with my Mickey.
What?
It says 32.
32 what?
32 miles.
Stupid. Let's go.
Hey! Nakakawala na naman ako.
So what's the hand signal for U-turn? Like that?
Angel sign.
Ha?
Pwede ba mag-left dito?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Libre.
Libre. Bigla.
Sabi lang no U-turn eh.
Go. Let's go, Mickey. Let's go. Mickey, come on.
Oh shit. Wait for me.
Come on,
Wait
Mickey.
for me.
Come on.
Puta, tinitigan lang ako ni Kuya JR eh.
Mickey, come on.
Wait. I'm here.
Yeah, Mickey's fast, bro. I can even catch up, bro.
Whoa. 60, 75.
You got this, man. Come on.
65.
Ulo ni Mickey, ah.
65.
Come on, Mickey.
70. GP, Raider Stadium.
Stadium GP, boy.
Ganito pala dito. Nalakot naman dito sa side na to.
Ha?
Para doon yung ano eh.
Ito yung route to work, bro. Pogi ni Mickey Mouse, guys. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse brain.
Si Daga. Dito na tayo kana Mr. Sarap's Community Garage Sale, Saturday and Sunday. Quiet, boys.
No revving. Takas ka doon? Yeah.
Alright, tambay. Let's go. Alright, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, we go home. It feels good to be back on the Vespa and dragging. So ano, madilim na ata pero helmet check tayo guys. Helmet check. So ito yung helmet na binili ni Elmat ko sa Japan. Sinuwerte tayo at pumayag siya magbitbit ng helmet. Shoutout sa iyo, mami. Thank you very much sa pagbibitbit ng helmet ko. So Arai Astro GX sa States, I think it's Contour X. So yun nga, Astro GX to na face red. And then shoutout to Mike Bomac sa pagbuo ng helmet. Yung Cardo kinabit niya kanina. At saka itong mics from DJ DLS. So nakakapag-vlog na tayo ulit. Medyo ang kailangan ko lang hanapin yung tamang spot dun sa speaker ng Cardo. Medyo masakit sa tenga. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko didiskartehan. Subukan ko iurong-urong ng sakit may ride na kami this weekend sa Super Sunday. Hindi siya pwedeng pandang ride pagka ganitong kasakit. So kailangan ko pa i-adjust yung speakers. Pero sana malinaw yung audio. Malalaman natin sa video na to. Sarap ng weather ngayon. Medyo lumamig. Pero ayos lang. Kinuhanan din natin ng Pro Shade itong Astro natin para pwedeng pang umaga, pwedeng pang gabi. Again, shoutout sa Ermat ko sa pagbitbit ng helmet. Alright guys, until the next one. For sure this weekend marami tayong video na makukunan dahil nga ito na yung weekend ng Super Sunday. So we are preparing for it na mga kailangan dalhin. Bukas mag-load na kami ng motor para Friday after work diretso na kami ng sipat ng California. Alright, until the next one, maraming ulit salamat. Actually sa ating 502, kung muling check ko, 502 subscribers. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And if you're watching this video, hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo. Alright, until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.